Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Python 3 on Windows 10. So let's start doing that together. So you may open the internet browser that you prefer and you can type Python. So the first link you will get is the python.org. So you may click on this link. And to download Python, you need to come to download section and you can download the last release of Python. But if you want to install specific release, you can come here to downloads and then you can click on all releases. You can scroll a bit down. So in my case, I may install Python 3.7.0. So let me scroll a bit down. And this one. So click on download and you can see here the operating system that you want. So I'm using Windows, so I need to have a look to this section here, and you may download this executable installation. So you need to wait a bit, around maybe 30 to 40 seconds to download. It's depend on your internet connection. So we need to wait a bit until it's downloaded. And here we go. So let's open the executable installation file. And you can choose the default installation or you can choose the custom installation. If you need to install for all users, you need to click here, and if you need to add the Python to the environment variables, you need to enable this check. Add Python 3.7 to path its main environment variables. So let's enable this and let's choose the default installation. And maybe we need to wait a bit to install Python in our machines. By the way, it will install pip as well to your machine as default installation. So setup was successful. That means you already have Python in your PC. So let's make sure that Python is working now on our machines. So maybe we can click here and let's try to type Python. And you will see many options. We have Python 3.7, the application, and we have the IDEL. So we have now Python shell. So maybe we can write small command to make sure that Python is working. So let's try to print hello, and we can see here that Python is working. If you need to exit, you just write exit and it closes the shell. If you have any issue, please let me know in the comment section. So let's try to open command prompt and write Python to see what is the version that we installed. So we can see here the version 3.7.0, and let's try to print hello. It's working. So yes, we can see that Python now is installed and it's working well. So if you have any issues here, maybe you need to make sure that you add the Python to the environment variables. So let's try to check pip. So just write pip. We will use pip in the next session to install some dependency and libraries for Python. So pip is also working. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.